Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ganesh. This has been a while. I told you guys I'll update it properly, but last 1 week it was busy. But anyway, let's get started. In the last session, I've shown you guys how to use a ticket fetcher. We literally like try to like get data from Jira directly, and then we just show what's there. So just to like a stepping stones into like using agents. We are not doing any other stuff. Actually, it's pretty much read data and show me, okay, through an agent. You don't need to use an agent. You just have to like go to the ticket and see the data. But as I said, it's just a stepping stone. So now what we can do more than that, okay? So like if I want to do something with the ticket, what and all I can do. So that's where actually like we are going to use Claude to help us. For example, let's say I'm gonna ask Claude saying, "Hey, like, help me create a new agent that um, pulls data from the Jira using Jira ID, and then analyzes the content um, from the Jira, and it looks for, let's say in this case I have a merge request. So okay, let's see, a field called merge request in Jira, and checks if it has the link. Okay, great. And also it should read the history of changes done to the ticket and gets the info of the user who did the last change, and leave a comment that says please update the merge request. Okay, let's see, it says if the merge request field is empty, comma, let's say if the field is not empty, then update comment, not please, thanks for adding a merge request. Okay, let's do that and move the ticket status to it's in progress, right? Let's call it in review. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to do. Ideally what it's going to do is it's going to read the Jira ticket, and then it's going to check for this particular field called merge request. Once there is something in the merge request, it will just leave out a field saying thanks for updating, and then move the ticket to in review. Okay, if it's not there, then it's gonna actually like call out the people from the history who made the changes, and then saying like, okay, please did the merge request. I want to do something with the ticket. So that's exactly what's gonna do. So yeah, we have it ready now. It indeed created something. It's cooking, and you can see from the steps actually it does like get the proper data. Okay, fetch full ticket info, analyze change history, and identify last change. Great. Determine merge request field status. Voila, great. Add content based comment based on status. Well, great. Get available transitions and the transition to interview. report results, critical rules, and other things and all. It, you can see it copied a lot of stuff from the other tickets actually. Sorry, other agents that we have. But let's see. Let's see how this plays out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one more agent. It's haiku, so let's see how it works. For example, I'm gonna say like run with agent. In this case, it's the merge request reviewer. Okay, on Cheetah Scrum 3. I'm milking a lot out of this Scrum 3 ticket. I've literally been using this to show you guys a lot of functionality across like multiple playtests. I should create one more. But yeah, but it serves the purpose. You know, simple steps, baby steps, stepping stones. All of that means the same. But yeah, there you go. So it came to a conclusion. Let's see what the conclusion is, and it is asking your permission actually for like what all the changes that it does actually. You can like add those changes to your settings file or settings.local file to make them allow all the time. For example, if I press yes, it will simply like register those things here, and it will never ask for those permissions again, at least in local. Okay, that's the idea. But anyway, it's doing whatever it's supposed to do. So let's go ahead. You see, thanks for adding a repo, and the status is changed to in review. It's that simple. um, So in this case, don't worry. There's some crazy things going on with the cloud code. Um, the UI thing, can just kill it and it just won't do anything. But anyway, it set out. It did what it was set out to do, and you can see all those things. It got the merge request. It got the status changed, and the comment is populated. Well, with that, I think we can actually like leave there. I am gonna push this changes also into whatever we have already in the same repo, and you get to like see how exactly this was created, and you can even like further go and do some changes. For example, you could use like so this is GitHub. Okay, so basically you can go ahead and check the merge request and then make sure that it is a valid merge request, because it understands GitHub commands, and I'm using Cloud Code which knows GitHub commands, so there is a CLI that is baked inside. So try it and then see if it is a valid merge request. If it's not valid, then you can update the comment saying like, okay, it's not valid, give us a valid like a merge request. If it is closed already, if it is like not open, then you can actually like bake those also into like your comments. So these are one of some of the few ways actually like you can make use of the agents. We don't have to like check them and do them yourself. Just ask your minion to do it, and then once it is ready, you pick it up and do whatever you want after that. Okay, but yeah, but that's one more thing I just want to show you guys today. I hope you got some like ideas from it, and then you'd be able to like do something with it. But anyway, thank you everyone for like joining. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye, and have a nice evening.